In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a section dynamically in Pega. So for example, I have a one case. I have a two stages. One is loan initiation and another one is loan review. In the loan initiation process, I have a two assignments. One is a loan details. This is a submission. This is one assignment, and there is another assignment. So I have a two stages. This is my first stage. In my first process, I have a two assignments. So now in this assignment, I mean to say, I'm opening the process. I'm opening the process. In this process, I'm going to open the second assignment. The second assignment is a flow action. This is the second assignment. In this second assignment, I have a one section. So see here I am rendering one section, but I did not hard coded the section name. I did not hard coded the section name. See, remember this. How to refer a section dynamically. Here I have included this section. What is the section? I have included one section, but that section is rendered or the section will be loaded dynamically by using this property reference. So that means based on this answer one property value. So for example, if the answer one property value is A, the section will be loaded. The A section will be loaded. Answer one property value is B, then B section will be loaded. If the answer one property value will be customer details, then customer details section will be loaded. So in this way, we can load the section dynamically by using the property reference. For example, now if you want, you can load one section, use embedded section. In the embedded section, usually by using the current page context, and the class name is this one and the section name is this one. That means if you want to hard code the section, like this is the section name. If you want to hard code the section, you can give like this. But if you want to load the section dynamically, means you have to select this property reference and you have to mention the property value. So like this, I have configured the section dynamically. So now let me test how this section will be loaded dynamically. Now I am running my car loan case, save and run. Based on the property value I have entered here, based on the section name I want to enter here, based on that section will be loaded. Now here I am loading third section. Please make sure that this section should be available. Please make sure that this section should be available. Now once you click on submit, in the next assignment, see, this is the third section because I have configured, this is the sample text, okay, and this is the sample text. And in the second section, I am loading the another section dynamically based on the answer one property value. Now if you want, you can see the clipboard. What is the answer one property value? Because that property I have configured to render the section dynamically. See this one, open the py work page. What is the answer one property value? The answer one property value is third section. Now the third section is loaded. See, answer one property value is third section is loaded. Now what I want to do is I want to change. For example, uh, I'm running the case again. Click on save and run. I'm going to create a one more case. This time I want to give a different value. Now here I am giving four section. Now once you just click on submit. Now see this one. In the next assignment, I am rendering the section dynamically based on that property value 4 section. See here, property value, when you click on double click, this is the answer one property value. So whatever the value or whatever the text I have given in the answer one property in the previous screen. So in the second assignment, I am loading the section dynamically based on the value given in the previous section. But please make sure that these sections should be present, otherwise you will get an error message. So in this way, you can load the section dynamically by using the property reference. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.